You can
Hello.
hear me, right? Yeah,
Yes.
I can hear you now.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay, what was the problem?
I don't know, ma'am. It is.
Okay, anyways, let's not waste time. Quickly tell me about yourself, Biswanath.
I'm Biswanath. I am from West Bengal, and
And what do you do? Are you a student? Do you like what are you doing?
oh, no, ma'am. I am mm, not a student now. I have dropped out to a student
Okay. Why?
because of, I have many problems in my house, so I have dropped out in my college second year from second year.
Okay. Okay. So what are you doing currently? What do you do now?
Now I am working with my father in my house.
Okay. Okay. So what do you do?
I am uh, I am I have a many fields, so I have working in the field with my father.
Okay. 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 So, Biswanath, you've dropped out of college, as you said, but till class 12, you studied in a proper school.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So tell me, why have you joined Clappingo?
Because I have because ma'am I mm, I know uh, uh, because ma'am I know English language and I love to know different and different language. So ma'am I have practiced so many times. So I have no practice any partner. So I have joined in clapping.
Okay. Okay.
Sometimes
Okay. So you
sometimes
want.
I watching uh, watched YouTube videos related
Mhm.
English language. So there I have uh, find yeah, found
Okay.
this.
Okay. Okay. So you don't have any plans of finishing your graduation?
Sorry, ma'am.
So you have no plans of completing your graduation?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay, okay. Because, part-time also there is uh, opportunities that you can do, and long distance also, not necessarily that you have to go to college.
Yes.
Okay, okay, never mind. That is your decision. Okay, so yes, Biswanath, as you said, you want to communicate and you don't have anybody to speak English with. So I think this is a very right decision for you to join Clappingo.
Yes. Ma'am.
So since I can see that you need a lot of practice, okay,
Yes. Yes.
so you join a lot of sessions because that will really help you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And during the sessions, Viswanath, with the speakers, don't feel shy.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have any problem,
Okay, ma'am.
generally we have a topic that we discuss, that we talk about, in the session. If you're not comfortable with that topic, so you tell the speaker, okay? Then the
Okay.
speakers will take something that you are comfortable with.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's say the topic is politics, and you say, no, I don't know anything much about politics. Can we talk about, let's say, shopping? Can we talk about farming? Anything that you can easily speak about. Because
Ma'am,
if you are not
I
comfortable
have,
with the, yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I have some questions. Can I say these questions?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Ma'am, uh, um, can I join in clapping go every day?
Actually, I am not the correct person, Sunath, for this. You will have to talk to the technical team. In your app, you will have this chat support, correct? Do you have?
What, ma'am?
In
Sorry.
your app, the Clappingo app,
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am. Yes.
you have a chat support where you
Yes, ma'am.
can talk to. Correct. So in
Yes,
that
yes.
chat, yeah, in the chat support, You put this question that I want to join classes every day, and the team will give you the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because I'm not sure what plan or subscription you have taken, or you will take rather, because this is a demo session.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
they will be in a better position to advise you. Okay, so you can tell them that you want to join as many sessions. So which subscription is better for you? Which plan is better for you? You ask them in the chat and they will guide you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay.
But yeah, what I would suggest is, as you yourself are saying, join as many sessions, Viswanath, because this will give you more practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, one is this, and the other is when you have the sessions with the speakers and they bring up the topic for that day. So in that topic, if you are not comfortable, tell them.
Okay, ma'am.
Then they will give you a choice that, okay, you tell us what you want to talk about. Because what happens here, we have conversations. There is no
Okay,
question answer, there is no teaching,
okay,
A
ma'am.
for apple, okay? It is conversation to make you comfortable.
Okay, ma'am.
So don't be shy, don't hesitate if you have questions. And
Okay,
since you will be joining Clappingo because you want to become better in English,
okay,
so
ma'am.
try, you know, taking as much advantage as you can.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you can say this video is being recorded.
Yes, it has been recorded. And
So,
every session is recorded. And later on, you can, go through the session. You can see as many times as you want. And you can, then see where you went right and what the speaker told you, any suggestion that they gave you. All the sessions will be recorded.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a YouTube channel. So this video, can I uh, uh, upload my YouTube channel?
Yes, of course, you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
So in future also, when you join and you have your sessions, you can always ask the speaker that you will want to upload this session. If they are comfortable, they will tell you yes. If they say no, no, I don't want you to upload it, then obviously then you won't upload.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, where are you from, ma'am?
Sorry,
Where are you from?
Mumbai.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So,
So this was your demo session, and any questions that you have regarding how many sessions you want to take, feel free to have this conversation on the chat with the team.
okay,
Okay, but based on our conversation today, Biswanath, I would really suggest that you take as many sessions as you can, because you need a lot of practice with improving
yes,
your
ma'am.
English.
So,
And if you want to put it on your YouTube channels, it will be good for you.
yes, yes, ma'am. So, so, ma'am, how should I practice at my home?
Well, to begin with, if you do not have anybody with whom you can speak, then you maybe pick a topic and you record yourself.